jump right into this tutorial. As you can see, I am putting my hair into a ponytail. I like to divide my hair into 2 sections and then do it into a ponytail. For me, it just makes my ponytail a lot cleaner and sleeker. So now I'm going to be taking some Eco Styler gel and some GotToBe spray glue to help slick my hair down. Make sure I get all the flyaways and all the loose hair. Make sure everything is laid down. So now I'm going to tie my hair with my silk scarf to make sure everything lays down and stays in place. Normally at this time I would be doing my makeup while my hair is holding into place, but since I've already done my makeup, I'm going to get my tracks ready so I can put them on my head. So I've already combed out the piece for my bang and for my bun. So here you see me putting the bobby pin on the bang piece so I can get that ready to place first. So you want to place your bang piece in first, so that way when you put on the tracks for your bun, you can cover the tracks for your bang. So yeah, so I'm just placing that into the bun I already have on my head, and I'm going to put a couple more bobby pins to secure it. So I do want to mention that the hair that I'm using is hair that I've had like for a couple years. I actually don't really wear it anymore. It used to be on like I used to have it as like a U-part wig, but since I don't wear it anymore, I still wanted to utilize the tracks. So that is the hair that I'm using in this video, but you can use any kind of hair that you have. Okay, so you just saw in the previous clip that I did clip my bangs to the side so I can be able to pin the hair in for my bun so it doesn't get tangled up into my bang, because I had that happen to me the first time that I did this. So yeah, definitely make sure you clip it to the side. So when you're putting your track hair in for your bun, just wrap it around it and then just pin it to secure. So as you wrap your hair around your bun, make sure that you're smoothing it out with the brush, as you can see in the clip that I'm doing, just to kind of keep it from tangling up a little bit. So I'm just wrapping it around here. It doesn't have to be super neat, because that's kind of the point of the bun. It's kind of be a little messy, you know, but I still don't want it to look like tangled up or anything like that. So just make sure you're smoothing it out as you're wrapping it around your bun. So now that I have my bun secured, I'm going to play around with the bangs and get those situated before I curl them. So now you want to curl the bangs to your liking and just continue to play around with it until you are completely satisfied. I also like to take a little bit of hair from the sides, like near my sideburns, and curl it like that, just to have more like a wispy look. I think that makes sense, but I don't know, I just kind of like doing my hair that way. You don't have to do it for this style, but that's just something that I like to do. Okay guys, so that is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope it was easy enough to follow. I really like this hairstyle. I've been rocking it for like the past week, and I actually wore this hairstyle to a birthday party. So make sure you guys check out my Instagram so you can see all of that. And as always, I